Statement 28. Expand your horizons. Get out of your bubble. Spread your wings. What's that thing you're definitely not interested in? Go check it out. We keep ourselves within these fake, invisible boundaries. We tell ourselves that this isn't for me. I would never do that. Why not? Have you tried it before? You will only fully know yourself and your purpose if you fully explore all that life has to offer. Have you ever thought to date outside your race? Have you ever thought to listen to classical music? Have you ever thought to experiment with the same sex? There are a number of experiences you've blocked yourself from because of other people's ideas and standards. It's a natural human condition to give ourselves boundaries as we grow older, because we understand that we must focus on a few things, because we can't do everything. We might not be able to do everything, but we can do anything. The world is bigger and more exciting when you open the doors and expand your horizons. Try something new. You might find the true you.